Most games on the App Store that claim to pay real money don't pay for gameplay directly. They pay through reward systems tied to ads, offers, or promotional budgets from advertisers. By the end of this, you'll know 5 types of App Store games that generate real cash rewards, how the payout systems actually work, and what decides whether earnings feel steady or inconsistent. Start with how these paying games actually function. They're not paid by Apple or the game itself. They're funded by advertisers or partner networks that pay for installs, engagement, or in-game activity. So your earnings come from marketing budgets, not game performance alone. First category is reward-based puzzle games. These games give points for completing levels or progressing through stages, and those points can be exchanged for cash rewards through internal systems. Second category is offer-based game apps. These apps reward you for installing and trying featured games, with payouts tied to advertiser-funded promotions. Third category is competitive cash tournament games. These games let you enter skill-based competitions where rewards depend on ranking or performance against other players. Fourth category is casino-style reward games. These apps simulate casino mechanics like spins or cards, but rewards depend on promotional credit systems rather than guaranteed payouts. Fifth category is hybrid reward gaming apps. These apps mix puzzles, tournaments, and offers into one system, so earnings depend on multiple types of activity instead of a single gameplay loop. Now here's what actually decides whether these games feel like they pay well. Offer availability is the biggest factor. Some apps rotate promotions frequently, so earnings can change week to week. Skill requirement also matters. Competitive games depend heavily on your performance against other players, not just time spent playing. And payout structure affects everything. Some games require you to accumulate large in-app balances before you can withdraw anything meaningful. So, highest paying doesn't really mean fixed income. It means apps with stronger reward systems, more active offers, and lower barriers to cashing out. Summary: App Store games that pay real money rely on advertiser funding, not gameplay payouts. Earnings depend on offer availability, skill requirements, and payout structure. Consistency matters more than game type. Next step: try one reward-based game app and track how quickly you can reach your first withdrawal threshold before deciding if it's worth your time. Like and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of apps that actually pay without hype or unrealistic earning claims.